we're opening these mystery pranks in the box. They're not actual pranks in the box. They're basically like these pranks, like electronic pranks, which make sound effects, and you can prank your friends so they don't prank you when you open them. So let's get unboxing. Luckily, I only have. So let's just get this cut. Neil, give it to me. I'll cut it. You're breaking the box, Neil. You broke the box, which will make it even harder to get it uncut. Cut.
You know you're recording.
Mm-hmm. That's so easy.
I got the thumbs up.
A thumbs up. I accidentally did that.
You need to get out. Get out, get out. I love it.
Here, Neil, you can pull it. Alright.
Why don't you show the kids the box first?
This is how the box looks like on the outside, destroyed. This is how mine looks like. And
Put
this
it on
is
the camera, slowly.
See, this is how it looks like.
That's
This is how it looks like disassembled and broken from my brother's.
What does it look like in the package?
And
Like the
this
title.
looks like this.
The
The
where it says mystery box.
The title's like this. Here. Neil has his now.
You guys are excited.
He's so excited.
What did Neil get?
The fail. He got fail.
Is it what, voice activated or what?
No, you just press this.
No, but read the instruction. What does it do?
It just does that. Like when your mom's baking, like this, you could press that, and then like you get pranked.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, show the little black thing, the box in the camera.
Neil, you show
And
us.
slowly.
Look.
Slowly. Okay, hold on. Just hold it there. How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy.
Yeah, it's not that heavy. And for mine to activate, you just press the button. I'm gonna try
On
it.
the box, I think.
This way.
Yeah, it's 4 plus. Just so you could know.
I'm gonna try on my mom. I'll be right back.
No, she has to be doing something, right?
Yeah, she has to be doing something on fails. We can try it on my dad.
Come on, Bella, just open it up.
Yeah, I'm cutting it.
Hey, close the doors.
Close the door. She's watching on my phone. Oh, let's see what. I got the call one. I got the phone call one. I wanted the phone call one.
Oh, but it's quite hard to do.
It's a motion sensor, that one, right?
Yeah. You can hide it.
So this is how our tunes look like. This is how it looks like on the back. It's like this little thing. Motion capture sensor active. It's motion activated for the breaking glass. Call is motion detection. The motion detection and the call and what's the siren? I think not the siren. Alert? No, not alert.
Close the door,
What
please.
is that? What's the thing? It's probably the
Tight,
box.
tight.
So the motion activated are these two. if
Yes,
you
I
can
got some
see.
stickers.
These two are motion activated. Again, this is motion detection actually. These are light sensors. This is countdown timer. Wait, the call is also a countdown timer, I think. And then push button is the second. So this is how mine looks like inside the box.
God, come on, remove it.
Also, I'm reading your tune again. Ghost call rated by it comes with stickers. This is my brother's stickers.
I also
It's
got
out of water.
I also got Tosaka.
Wait, no, this is his, I think. This is mine. And then we have this out of order.
I want to open it for you
Um,
this time.
First we need to open from the back. Nope.
Removes it. This is the most exciting video.
You can take it out from the bottom, actually, or from the top. You just need to pull it out from the top. Or you can just push it out from the bottom. Either way you can do it. I'll pull it out from the top. I don't know why I opened it from the bottom. So this is how mine looks like in a thing. Okay, let's just...
This is how mine looks like in the thing.
Okay.
I don't know. There's like these
Everyone.
It's motion act.
Every.
The calls are
Give me 1 second. I will set the time. I set it for a long time.
vibrate.
This is the timer one.
There's a vibrate. I think I got
This one's way more funnier.
What? Ow, near my ears.
Sorry.
Wait, give. Wait. I can't tell. It shows this, if you look. And then there are two phones, literally.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching
Look
this.
at the camera.
Thank you for watching this episode of our one of our unboxing episodes. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and also leave a big thumbs up in the comment description section below.
And make
For
sure that
us
bell
to
goes
support.
ding. The
Yeah,
bell.
if you can't do that. Of course, some people can't do that because of their school accounts and stuff. So yeah.
And it's so pretty.
Yep.
Okay, say
Definitely.
bye.
Okay, bye. Hope you like this
Bye.
episode of one of our unboxing videos. Make sure to subscribe again and leave a thumbs up. And if you can, click the notification bell. Bye.